Welcome to Science by PK. Imagine standing on a cliff and looking not over blue waves, but over an endless sea of glowing molten rock. What would happen if Earth was covered by a vast fiery ocean of lava instead of water? First, let's understand what lava really is. Lava is molten rock that escapes from beneath Earth's crust during volcanic eruptions. On land, it flows slowly, cooling into solid rock. But imagine if our oceans, billions of cubic kilometers of water, were replaced with this molten rock. Temperatures would skyrocket. Lava ranges between 700 and 1200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt steel. With entire oceans of it, Earth's surface would glow, radiating heat into space. The atmosphere would thicken with toxic gases like sulfuric dioxide, turning the skies yellow and choking out the breathable air. Rain wouldn't fall anymore. Instead, acid clouds would sweep across the planet, constantly recycling poisonous chemicals. If oceans of lava would never be calm, waves of molten rock would crash like fiery tsunamis, driven by Earth's heat and gravity. Explosions of gas and rock would hurl plumes thousands of meters into the air. The horizon would shimmer with glowing rivers, fountains, and geysers of molten stone. Life as we know wouldn't stand a chance. Plants would burn instantly. Animals and humans could never survive the heat. Even underground bunkers would melt away as the crust itself grew unstable. Civilizations would collapse within hours. But here's the fascinating part. A lava ocean world isn't just imagination. Astronomers have discovered exoplanets like 55 Cancri, which may be covered by molten rock seas. These lava planets orbit dangerously close to their stars, so the heat keeps their surfaces in a permanent molten state. They're real-life hellscapes, glowing worlds of fire. If Earth became such a planet, it would shine like a jewel in space, its surface glowing bright red and orange. From orbit, astronauts would see Earth transform into a blazing ember, far brighter than the moon has ever appeared. Over time, the lava would reshape Earth completely. Continents would vanish, mountains would collapse, and the crust would constantly churn. Instead of plate tectonics, the entire planet would become one giant volcanic system, endlessly recycling itself. So what if Earth really did have an ocean of lava? Our blue marble planet would turn into a fiery inferno, unavailable, unstable, but breathtakingly beautiful to observe from afar. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.